Oh my gosh! Oh. Are you alive, Connor?
I'm good.
Ow! My spleen!
It's a playground.
Is that what I think it is? Hey, Connor, I found chocolate.
What?
I found chocolate.
Where?
Right here. It's some chocolate. No, the camera can't see it. It's my chocolate.
Oh,
Jeez.
what's my mom gonna say when she sees this? Oh. Smells like nature.
I like nature.
What should I do first, Jason?
I don't know. I'm gonna do this. Whee! Whee! I'm going too high! I'm going too high! I'm going too high!
I can get back up.
Ow! My back hurts!
Jason, I think I'm stuck.
Ow! I am too. I'm stuck. I'm stuck, Connor. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. And it hurts. It hurts. It hurts, Connor.
Jason, I'll help you.
I'm unstuck.
Oh, that's good. There's a slide.
Whoa! Wait! Connor, you don't do it right. You have to go like this.
That's how I've always done it.
I'm on top of the world! Ow!
I think my way is better.
Ow!
My mom taught me how to walk up the slide.
Ow! Ooh, hey, I found more chocolate. Hey, Connor, I found more chocolate. I found more chocolate, Connor.
Dang it! Why do I keep falling?